I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by getting a clean sample. Copy 20 to 50 words that represent the document. Once collected, normalize the text by lowercasing and removing stray punctuation, but keep diacritics for clues. Next, choose your approach. Lightweight rule checks catch obvious scripts, while a language detection library gives probabilistic guesses. Start the tool now and feed it the normalized sample. You want immediate signals about character set and common function words to guide the next steps. Once the basic tool runs, dig into features. Examine the script or Unicode block to eliminate many languages quickly. Then analyze frequent tokens and character engrams. Compare them to stop word lists and known language fingerprints to strengthen the hypothesis. If you use a model, check confidence scores and the top 3 predictions to handle mixed or short texts. Make sure to weigh script evidence against lexical matches, because similar vocabularies can mislead raw character-based guesses. To finish, synthesize findings. Merge script identification, stop word frequency, and model confidence into a single decision. If scores conflict, favor the strongest combined signal and note alternatives. For very short or code switch samples, request more text or use available metadata like locale tags. If you hit low confidence, first renormalize and test alternative encodings or translucency from OCR errors, then rerun detection. One troubleshooting tip: when nothing helps, expand the sample or use human review to resolve edge cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.